Hi guys, this is Ajay from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. So in this video, I will be discussing regarding a new approach to artificial intelligence that builds in uncertainty. So how AI is having its uncertainty in certain topics, how it could be advantage to us or a disadvantage to us. Actually, this is a research topic taken from IEEE conferences. So in this video, I will be discussing regarding that uncertainty and how this uncertainty is helping in some of the applications in artificial intelligence. So so whenever the uncertainty is incorporated to AI systems, that can lead to improved decision making and better real world outcomes. And learn more about these exciting new approaches also. And sometimes how this uncertainty will help an AI system to improve decision making. So we will be learning regarding this and some of the outcomes regarding the uncertainty in AI. So let's dive deep into this topic. Before going to uncertainty in AI, we could see what are the current AI limitations here. So current AI limitations are, the first thing is overconfidence. Here in our language, overconfidence is nothing but the more accuracy. So whenever the AI deals with the narrow data sets, that prediction of the outcome will be more accurate. So that is not a good outcome, I guess. So this is one of the drawback of current AI, and the other one is black boxes. You could see some of the AI systems are very much complex and they are opaque, where we cannot understand them for making some decisions for some of the process. So this is known as a black boxes. So some AI systems will be having complex and in non-transparent process where we could not understand what's going on in that system. So that is one of the limitations. And the other one is AI system lacks of common sense sometimes. Yes, why? Because uh, regarding some reasoning or response to some of the scenarios that doesn't work well. So it lacks in some of the common sense. So that is one of the drawback of current AI. Next, we will be seeing how the power of uncertainty is helpful nowadays. So the power of uncertainty is, the first thing is, what is uncertainty? Uncertainty is nothing but it refers to some lack of incomplete of information, and it may be about the world or a system or a natural part of a decision making, whatever it is. So lacking of some information or a process where it abstracts the process or decision making, then we call it as an uncertainty. So how this uncertainty is integrated to AI? So while building an AI system, uncertainty in making the process quite common by the human. Sometimes human errors may be there, and some other things also may be there. So by building in uncertainty, AI systems can better emulate human decision making and anticipate a wider range of outcomes. So that is how integrating of uncertainty into AI does that. Coming to benefits of uncertainty in AI systems that build in uncertainty can make more accurate predictions and better handle the novel situations. As I have said in your previous slide that uh, when we deal with the common sense issues, AI doesn't work well. So if we have some uncertainties in AI, also sometimes it may be helpful in dealing with the novel situations. So that is the power of uncertainty in AI. Next, we will be seeing the risks of overconfidence in artificial intelligence. So, what are the risks of overconfidence? I mean, over accuracy. So, the risks are nothing but the first one is the false confidence. So, sometimes incorrect predictions may also happen and underestimating the risks sometimes. So, wrong predictions may lead to the uh, wrong outcomes, which may have a huge backlog to the whole system where it pays a lot. Where it come and one more it is unintended consequences. Over reliance on AI predictions can lead to unintended consequences, particularly in safety critical systems. So whenever we see systems related to safety, so if we have uncertainty in those things, then it seriously affects the whole system. So majorly that may lead to unintended consequences. And the other thing is if something goes wrong or with the AI system, then it can be difficult to determine who is responsible for that. And the next one is lack of transparency. Opaque AI systems can be difficult to audit or understand, which can make it hard to identify the flaws or biases in that. What are the errors and what are the process flows inside the system? If we cannot see that process, how could we opt that system of AI? We cannot opt, right? So that is one of the drawback or the risk of overconfidence in artificial intelligence. Next, coming to comparing current AI methods to an uncertainty based approach. So the first thing is current AI methods rely on large amounts of data. Yes, where narrow data sets. So when we use data sets with less features or a very small one, it leads to overconfidence, means over accuracy. So that is the current AI methodology which is going on. Simply training the data sets and getting the accurate ratio. And next one is decision making. This new method uses probabilistic model for making the robust decisions where the system itself decides what to do in the particular system or what to do in that process. And next is so by building this uncertainty, AI systems can better anticipate a wider range of outcomes and make more accurate predictions. So this is also one of the current AI methodologies, and we'll be seeing in the next slide some of the examples of successful implementations of artificial intelligence. So those are self-driving cars. The first one is self-driving cars. So you know that self-driving cars use uncertainty-based AI, so that can better anticipate and respond to unpredictable situations on the road or whatever the situations it may occur. And in financial analysis, business analysis also, this uncertainty AI is implemented, and in medical field also this uncertainty of AI systems are very much useful, and that builds in more accurate diagnostic complex conditions like cancer or heart disease. So, what is the future scope of this uncertainty based AI? So, the future scope of uncertainty based AI is faster learning, better real world outcomes, and at present, what challenges we are facing in our AI can be overcome in the uncertainty based AI. So, faster learning in the sense, So uncertainty based AI systems can learn more quickly and efficiently than traditional machine learning methods. So this feature makes them ideal for developing the new applications. And the other thing is better real world outcomes. So by better anticipating outcomes and modeling the uncertainty, AI systems can help us to make better decisions in complex dynamic environments. So this is one of the scope of better scope of uncertainty based AI. And we may include challenges like data quality and regulatory issues. Those can be rectified using this AI based uncertainty based AI. So wrapping up this video, so we have seen what uncertainty into how uncertainty will be useful in this AI, and what is risks of overconfidence to the AI. So how to overcome those risks. We have seen some of the examples and the future scope, and that's about this video. Thank you.